Thinking about starting a garden at home? Wait. Don't plant a thing until you watch this video. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated but powerful ways to beautify your home garden: flowering shrubs. They're vibrant, low maintenance, and perfect for transforming any yard into a blooming sanctuary. Flowering shrubs are woody plants that produce blossoms seasonally or year-round, depending on the type. They range in size from knee-high to shoulder height, and they're great for borders, natural fences, or adding color to dull corners. Plus, they attract butterflies and birds, bringing life into your garden. Whether you have a tiny patio or a spacious yard, there's a flowering shrub for you. For small spaces, try azaleas, lantana, or ruellia. For larger areas, consider bougainvillea, jasmine shrubs, or hibiscus. These plants offer long-lasting blooms with minimal effort. Mix and match colors for a Pinterest-worthy garden. Try pairing purples with yellows or soft pinks with white blossoms for contrast. Just make sure to balance bold colors with greenery so it doesn't feel overwhelming. Good news, most flowering shrubs are easy to care for. They love sunlight, need consistent watering, and benefit from light pruning to keep their shape. Use compost or organic fertilizer every few weeks to encourage healthy blooms. The biggest mistake: choosing plants based on looks alone. Make sure you consider soil type, sunlight, and garden size before buying. Planting the wrong shrub in the wrong spot can lead to poor growth or no blooms at all. Flowering shrubs can totally transform your home garden with little effort and long-lasting beauty. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more home decor and garden design ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.